The Philippine Sports Commission is in mourning following the tragic deaths of Ateneo student athletes Divine Adili and Rene Baterbonia. Mobile journalist Denise Valdesancho has this report.
The Ateneo de Manila University community is mourning the loss of two of its student athletes following a drowning incident in Dipaculao, Aurora on June 8. 21-year-old Divine Adili competed for the Blue Eagles in UAAP Season 88, while 19-year-old Rene Baterbonia recently represented Davao in the 2026 Palarong Pambansa and was set to suit up for Ateneo in UAAP Season 89. According to the Aurora Police Provincial Office, the incident happened at a beach resort in Barangay Lipit, Dipaculao at around 2:40 in the afternoon during a team building activity.
Siguro po ng team activity ang mga players doon po sa may harap ng beach resort. At base po sa license ng ating po mga nakausap na kasama nila, ay meron po sila activity na kung saan lumalakad po yung mga players natin doon sa dagat, sa may tabing dagat, ang mga nasa hanggang kita po yung lalim ng tubig. At bigla na lang po silang napunta sa malalim na parte.
Initial findings show the players were swept away by a strong current into deeper waters. Local police, the Philippine Coast Guard, and emergency responders immediately conducted search and rescue operations. Authorities said 2 lifeguards were on standby at the time of the incident, while the Dipaculao local government has launched a comprehensive inspection and investigation. Police also noted that the team had previously held activities at the same resort.
Yung nga po, may pang-ilang activity na po ito nila sa same resort. Kaya po talaga pong alam nila yung mga kondisyon ng dagat at ano yung mga dapat gawin habang may mga activities sa dagat.
Authorities emphasized that the gathering was a private team activity. Based on the ongoing investigation, police said there is no indication of foul play.
Base po sa ating nakuhang salaysay ng mga kasama niya ay ito pong insidente na ito ay talaga pong purely accident. So natural accident po yung pangyayari. Hindi po talaga inaasahan at sa ngayon wala po tayong nakikitang foul play sa aksidente na ito.
In a statement, Police Regional Office 3 extended its deepest condolences to the families, friends, teammates, and the entire Ateneo community. PRO3 said the investigation remains ongoing and urged the public to avoid speculation while authorities complete their fact-finding. The agency also reminded beachgoers and tourists to follow safety advisories and exercise extra caution when engaging in water activities, especially in areas known for strong currents.
Pinapaalala na bantayan yung ating mga turista, bigyan palalahan lagi, lalo na po yung mga naliligo sa dagat.
As the investigation continues, tributes have poured in from across the Philippine sports community. The Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas and the University Athletic Association of the Philippines both expressed grief over the deaths of Adili and Baterbonia. Ateneo de Davao University also mourned the loss of Baterbonia, one of its most decorated student athletes. A memorial mass for Baterbonia and Adili is set to be held on June 12 at the Senior High School Chapel of Ateneo de Davao University. Mobile journalist Denise Valdesancho. We are One News.